Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate and download fonts from fontsquirrel.com, which is a great website to find some new fresh fonts on for your designs. All you have to do to get started is come to fontsquirrel.com. We will have the link in the description as well so that you can just directly click on it. And this is the page it'll bring you to. And you'll notice that you have a few different options here in the navigation. You have the Hot tab, which allows you to view the most popular fonts of the day. And then you have the Recent tab, which shows you the most recently added fonts. You can kind of explore this on your own a little bit, but today I'm just going to type in the search bar the word fun just to see what pops up. I have this playful looking font, then I have this one that sort of looks more like symbols than actual letters. And then I have another one that kind of looks like it belongs on something related to Halloween, but in this case I'm just going to choose the first option here. So I'm just going to click directly on it and it'll bring you to an information page. You'll see a preview of what the font looks like, but I'm going to go ahead and download it by clicking the download TTF button. This will save the file to your computer, so just go to wherever you saved it. And you'll notice that it's a zip file, so if you want to open up that zip file, all you have to do is double click it on a Mac. It might be a little bit different on PC, but once you unzip that file, it turns into a folder. And if you open that folder, have the font file right there. So coinyregular.ttf. Again, on Mac, all you have to do is double click it, and this will open the font book application, which comes installed by default on most Apple computers. And then I'm just going to click the install button. And once it pops up there, you're good to go. So let's say I want to use this font in Photoshop. I'm just going to type in Coiny because that was the name of the font, and you'll see that it pops up now. So if I want to type using that font, I can go ahead and do so. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.